Struggling to get Apple CarPlay to sync with your Buick Envision? Let's get your connection back in under 2 minutes. Statistically, most infotainment glitches are resolved by simple software resets rather than hardware failure. Before you visit the dealer, follow this diagnostic path to isolate the problem. Start by power cycling both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system to clear temporary cache errors. These three factors are the most frequent reasons for an intermittent or non-existent connection. If those fail, clear the device from your Buick's memory and repair it from scratch. Most issues are solvable at home, but if the port itself feels loose, it is time for a professional technician. As you can see, testing a new cable is significantly cheaper than replacing hardware components. For advanced users, a factory reset is the final software step before checking the vehicle's fuse box. Keep these items in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the road. Remember, if the system works sporadically, a bad cable is almost always the culprit. If your Buick is still not connecting, leave a comment with your model year so we can help you find a fix.